Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the notification preview on the lock screen in this device. So in this device, let me show you. You can see the notification preview, the content of the notifications you can see here, right? So let me show you how to disable this one. This is very simple. For this, go to settings. Then here you can see the option notifications. Tap on this one. Show. So then here you can see the option show previews. Tap on this one, then tap on never. Now let me show you again. Lock the device, notification. You can see the only notification, the content is not available, the preview is disabled. You can see, right? Again I will show you. Now I am going to select the option always. Again you can see the content, right? So simply in this way you can enable or disable the notification preview in the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.